My name is Premraj, son of Nagarajan. Today I'm gonna present about my BSM2 titled Automatic Coffee Temperature with Voice Recognition and Smartphone App Controller with Smart Energy Measurement System. First of all, I would like to thank you to my supervisor and co-supervisor Inche Adam bin SAMSUDIN and Inche Muhammad FAREQ bin IBRAHIM. First of all, I show my poster of my project and the hardware. For the left hand side you can see the poster, and the right hand side you can see the hardware of my project, and the content in that poster I will explain in the next slide. Introduction. Coffee is a famous refreshment across the world, and coffee is a basic essential for the people around this world also. So this main scope of this project is to control the coffee machine by a smartphone through Arduino. So next is using an Arduino as a microcontroller and Peltier as an heating element. So the importance of this project is for the able to maintain the taste of the coffee for the users, and also develop to absorb the heat that being lost to the surrounding. Next is a problem statement. First, affect the taste of the coffee. Coffee at a particular temperature should be heated and to be served to feel the taste of the coffee. Second, lag detection temperature of coffee. From the research that I made up throughout this project, there are a lot of coffee machines have lack of information to give to the user to identify the temperature of the coffee. Third, consume more electrical supplies. Normally coffee machines are using a more lot of power supply. Objective of my project. First, to order and detect the amount of temperature of the coffee using a voice recognition and an Android applications. Second is to construct and develop a coffee temperature controller machine based on IoT things. And third, to test and develop a device that absorbs heat loss from the coffee machine. Next is methodology. For the methodology part, I use a block diagram to explain about it. First, Arduino Uno as a microcontroller and an ASP8265 module as a module to use for data transfer from phone application to the Arduino Uno. Next is LM35 temperature sensor to detect the temperature, and I2C LCD to display to the user, and a blink and voice recognition app that created in an Android phone, and a relay and a Peltier to use as an heating element, and buzzer to notify to the user after the work done. The next is a flowchart. I'm going to explain about the process of my project workflow. First, you need to use the phone which downloaded with the Blink app and a voice recognition app which I created for my project. The voice recognition app, I particularly choose a 3 maximum temperature with 60, 70 and 80 degrees Celsius, which should be heated up the coffee. Next, if the data or the command received by the app to the Wi-Fi module will be turn on the Peltier to be heated as a user set point. So then also Arduino Uno will be activated the LM35 sensor temperature to detect the temperature of the coffee. From that, I use an energy measurement system which can be calculate the number of current, voltage and the recycle voltage from the coffee machine. And third, the temperature will be displayed in the LCD also, and the measurement of the energy measurement system will be displayed in the voice recognition app. Next is results and analysis. For this part is the output data which I got it from my project. For first graph is referred to the power management of a coffee machine, which are collected data from the application, which are the voice recognition which display the current, the volt and the voltage and the recycled voltage. Next is the amount of heat absorbed. So from the coffee machine, how much of the energy wasted heat energy released or dissipated from the coffee machine, it's absorbed, and show the recycled voltage of the coffee machine. Now I'm going to show the demonstration of my project. Let me explain about my coffee machine maker prototype. So this is my design of my coffee machine maker. So I use a power supply here one. So for the coffee machine maker, I divided into two parts, an upside and downside. So let me explain about the upside one. For the upside one, I make it as a door to open and put the coffee. So this is the cup and two heating element which are peltier and one sensor LM35 and heat sink above it. So I cover everything the upside one with my aluminium foil to make a heat resistant for my project. For the downside of my coffee machine maker, I put the components everything downside. ESP826 Wi-Fi module, Arduino Uno, relay, and the LCD. And the relay of the wire will be connected with the power supply, and the temperature sensor will be Arduino from Arduino Uno to the peltier at the upside of my coffee machine maker. For my project, there are two applications which very important to run my project, which is Blink app and a voice recognition app. So first I explain about the software first. For the Blink app, for the Blink application, I make it a set or a temperature set and the temperature now and the recycle voltage and watt and ampere. So it will display in the Blink application after the temperature detected by the coffee machines. So it also help to connect it with a Wi-Fi module of my project. Another one, this is for the voice recognition application to order user from the phone connected to the Wi-Fi module to the Arduino. So from here, I set display a temperature and the recycle voltage and the watt and the ampere. So for voice command, so I put three which are normal, moderate,
coffee started,
and
hot coffee
hot.
started.
So for the normal, the degree Celsius for which I set is 60, and the moderate is 70, and the hot is 80. So the energy measurement will be displayed in this application, voice recognition application, and also in Blink application. So it will display the temperature here after detected and will show the watt and ampere and recycle voltage from the coffee machine. Firstly, I'm going to try it manually. I selected the temperature to order the coffee to be heated.
Normal coffee started. Moderate coffee started. Hot coffee started.
Okay, next I'm going to try with my voice recognition with a voice command.
Yes, how can I help you?
Moderate.
Moderate coffee started.
Normal.
Normal coffee started. Yes, how can I help you?
Hot.
Hot coffee started.
It's my last part of my project, which is a conclusion part. So for this part, I successfully achieved my 3 objectives that I made up of my project, and the automatic coffee machine has been successfully tested and showed by using a voice command, and the user can manually operate the machine. Besides that, the machine is built using a cheap and low cost part which all range of users can afford to use it or buy it. Hopefully you understand the presentation of my project, and thank you for lending your ears patiently and listening to my presentation.